Ryan, open your eyes. Ryan. What the fuck is
Thought it was a tree.
that? You thought it was a tree? This doesn't look like any tree I know.
My eyes hurt.
That looks like a tree?
It did.
What'd it turn into?
A tree.
What? Oh shit, his head just fell off. It's Steve.
Dude, what are you talking about, dude?
Ryan, just hella make out with him real quick. For like, hold on. How would you kiss a girl, Ryan? Oh, you're gonna bite her tongue off if you do that. Oh shit, it's a hella hot girl that you know. Who is it? Start making out with her. Ryan.
What?
There's a hella hot girl. Make out with her. Are you kidding?
Haha.
What did you do?
I just set it down and it busted.
Oh my god, baby.
What are you doing? Grab it!
What?
It wasn't a good day for those. I jinxed it. You went so dirty and low.
Ryan, what are you doing? What just happened over there?
Mark, you have a nail?
Broken candle.
We hang it right here, and when they open the door, it'll like fling up the first time, but then it'll come back down for the next.
No, I'm fucking well.
Yeah.
Like if we hang it right here for right now.